Well, I was doing hive checks yesterday, but I ran out of time, and wouldn't you know it, the one that I didn't get to just swarmed, and it's a big one. This one's a little bit more difficult because where they landed on this apricot, or no, this is an almond tree. They've landed on two branches that are crossed, so I can't just like bend it over and shake it like I did on my how to catch a swarm the easy way. This is how to catch a swarm the not so easy way. So I got a table to raise the box up closer to the swarm, and I'm just gonna do my best, and hopefully they will fall off into the box. And yeah, so I'm here by myself today, so you're not really gonna get a good video of this. So I will come back when I'm done shaking the tree. Okay, so that worked fairly well. I didn't quite make the box. I should have put the box out a little further, but there was a little clump that fell on the ground. But the majority of them fell on the table and fell in the box. So, and it appears like I don't know. They're kind of going in, so it looks like I might have got the queen inside. I'm going to give this a few minutes to kind of clear up so they can figure out what's going on, and we'll be back. Well, it looks like that did the trick. They've all but gone in, and this is quite a large swarm, so they'll probably fill this whole tower up quickly, and I'll have to check them in a couple of weeks to see what's going on. So anyway, how to catch a swarm the kind of easy way, it wasn't that bad. Thanks for watching. Marsh Creek Farmstead. Okay, so these are 3 hives that swarmed. We captured the swarms, and we've just relocated them to this lean-to for permanent housing. We've only moved them a couple hundred feet from where they were caught. Some of the hives have been active for a month. The one on the, the one in the center has been in there, I think, a little over a month. The one on the left has been in there for probably 2 weeks, maybe 3. And this, not the far right, but the third one over, that one was the one that was just caught today. So they say that to relocate a hive box, you have to move it either 3 inches or 3 miles. And what I've done for the past several years is move them at night, and then, as you can see, I've piled grass at the entrance, and in the morning when the bees become active and they pass through the grass, it triggers something that causes them to relocate, to repattern their navigation so that they know that this is where the hive is. So I've had success in moving them around here on the property, 50 feet to 300 feet distances. There are a few stragglers in the morning that may have been left out overnight and didn't make it back, but the majority of the bees learn their new home location and they come back here after they're done collecting nectar.